1, 2, bilang ko. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Dude, are you sure we're invited? God bless you, Marcos. Happy birthday! Give me everything you've got. Go to the goal. They're on the way. All right, clean down, settle down. This is our first. This means as the first. We're gonna add what later. Okay, let's go back to the kids. And smaller. And bigger. And smaller. Yeah, you don't tickle. You tickle money. Stay where you are, okay? Marcos, ready, get set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready ka na? One more time. Ready, get set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you. Alright, anytime you're ready, Marcos, you may blow your candle. Yeah, you got me. Alright, thank you. Happy birthday to you. Alright, blowing your candle ceremony wouldn't be complete without a birthday wish coming.
I'm always saying yung health na, huwag magkakasakit, and be a good boy always. And also yung study niya, sana okay sa school palagi.
Alright, let's clap our hands 7 times, not 6, not 8, but 7. Ready, get set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anong 8? Hindi naman, next year pa yun eh. One more time. Ready, get set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tama na! Alright. Thank you very much. Alright. Now, this is your chance to have your photo taken with Optimus Prime and Bumblebee. Alright? You may thank you very much, Manny and Daddy. And Marcos. Alright, picture taking. Okay. Before. Okay, dito tayo. Are you sure? I've got wala nang laman. There you go. Ayan ang white rabbit. Ayan ang white rabbit. May mahaba. Ang ating ulo. A hair can come in many shapes and sizes. It can be small. It can be short. The ears. Okay. Ang ears. The ears can come in many shapes and sizes. It can be small. It can be short. And it can be long also. As long as the eyebrow is out the top of the eyes, of course. Tigil na pala. Okay, now, let me tell you a story about this. Okay, may story ako tungkol. Pinaano mo naman ako eh. May in-explain ako eh. Okay, yan. Wala. Okay, now. Mali. birthday sumain ng jingle bells. Sige, ulitin mo. Okay, ready, get set, go. Ayan.
You belong to the zoo.
Anong yung binunod mo? Mali.
Uy, ito ng ilaki ka na.
Hindi, mali. Wala ka ng tenga. What? Wala ka na rin mata. What? Wala ka na rin yung fiber mo. What? Wala ka na rin mukha. Ayan, wala na. What? Wala ka ng ilong. What? Ano natira? Dileg. What? What? Pinabago yung blade, mapuputol yung karot, pero yung kamay, mapuputol yung kamay, hindi mapuputol. 2, 3, wait. Just in case, hindi magano pa. Open, close, open, close, open. Drop your hand. Okay, mami, magpabili kayo, ha? Sa pet shop o kaya sa Pero Matu. Okay, you can touch it if you like. Okay, and rub it in. It starts with the letter R. No. Chicken. Chicken yan. Hindi. Sorry, walang nakakuha. Ang pangalan niya ay, actually, ang pangalan niya ay Dawson Corn.
Ano pa? Nagluluto. Anong inuluto mo? Sunog na kanin. Ano pa? Sunog na ulam. Ano pa? Sunog na sabaw. Bakit nasusunog? Kasi nagtitext ako sa panang cellphone.
Ulitin ko. Babaguhin.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to...
Okay, boys, find your height. Marcos, you have a job to do. And okay, let's say magic word. Ready, get set, go! And Marcos will say, okay, thank you for playing. Alright. Get those good bags, okay? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Marcos! Happy birthday, Marcos! Happy birthday! Give everything you've got! Marcos! Good job, everybody! You've been a wonderful. Thanks. My name is Sam. Thank you very much.